Here, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Today, the talk is what you got. I know what I'm gonna do. I know how to get it done. I just gotta put it through. I put it out there. Maybe it wasn't somebody's interest, but that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, man, let me tell you one thing. Sometimes this camera just jumps over to whatever it wants to. So whatever my last video was, or 2 videos was, I'm not even sure if it's correct or not. So you're out there in the market and you're looking for a used Pocket 3. I doubt you're gonna find it any lower than the actual price that it's being sold for, the standalone. It sells for what? $519, $529. You could get it as low as $498. But what if you buy used? You're buying online or you're buying in person. You're gonna have to ask the person, and the person's gonna have to be honest, and you're gonna have to make a decision if that's what you want. Or you should have just went and purchased a new one. You just have to hope someone's having one just laying around and got no use. You just happen to be that lucky soul that picks theirs up that's 100% working. Well, it's time to rip this up. I'm Fish, and I'm out of here.